Hello, this is a demonstrational video on how to build a potato cannon. These are also called spud cannons or potato launchers. First off, you'll need a few supplies. You can buy all these supplies at most any hardware store. I got all these at Lowe's. We'll start right here. This is your combustion chamber. We cut this down to about 12 inches. This is where all your pressure builds up for the potato to launch. Right here, this is a PVC clean out. These are used in lots of augural devices, but for this purposes it will be a stop where we put in the hairspray. You'll also need the connector piece for the PVC pipe from the 4-inch tubing to the 2-inch tube. This is the cannon part of it, and this is 2-inch PVC pipe. We cut this to about 44 inches. You'll also need, for gluing purposes, some purple primer and the PVC cement. For ignition, we use a regular lighter that you can find on your grill or anything of that sort. For the assembly process, you'll want to be in a well-ventilated area. To start, I've coated the inside and the outside with primer. This joint will then want to be coated in the same sort of fashion with the cement. So here, I'll coat the inside. Just one fell swoop will be just enough, and the same with the outside. And as you attach it, you want to kind of twist it in, and that should make a good joint. We'll continue to do this with the rest of the pieces. I've already drilled a few holes in the combustion chamber. This is for the ignition to go in and the ground. As you can see here, this is our ignition system that we're using. And to rig this up, we have right here our ignition. And then for our ground, we're just using a simple screw. In the larger hole, we're going to put the ignition in, like so. And then this one will go in the smaller hole right next to it. They'll come close into a proximity of about ½ centimeter, at which point when you push the ignition button, you'll have ignition. Alright, so we have the ignition system already inset into the combustion chamber. This is the last part of the building process. Now all you have left to do is to put a potato into the launcher, like so. At times it may be difficult to do, so you want to turn it upside down and force it in. Now we just take a stick and you kind of measure out where you want it to go, and you want it approximately 6 inches from the very bottom of the barrel. So the spud is located about here in the barrel, and then the last thing before ignition is to put hairspray or some sort of cologne into here, spray it for about 5 seconds, close the cap up as quickly as you can, and then it's ready for launching.